must be crazy now. Maybe I dream too much. Words that I understand, words only you would hear. If only you were mine, would have made my move when you look in my eyes. 'Cause by now I know that you feel the way that I do. And I whisper these words until I hear from my side. I love you. These three words, they could change some lives forever. And I promise you that we will always be together till the end of time. So today I finally find the courage deep inside just to walk right up to your door.